Eletone cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations, such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains emollients, which are substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some products in Eletone cream are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation, like from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. Eletone cream contains common emollients like petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone. It also contains humectants, such as glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, which draw water into the outer layer of the skin. Additionally, Eletone cream has ingredients that soften the horny substance, keratin, that holds the top layer of skin cells together, helping the dead skin cells fall off, keeping the skin in more water, and leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Make sure to use Eletone cream as directed. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the label. Apply the cream to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on your skin condition and the specific product. For dry hands, you may need to apply the cream every time you wash your hands throughout the day. If you're using Eletone cream for diaper rash, make sure to clean the area well before applying the cream. And if you're using it for radiation skin burns, check with the radiation personnel to see if it can be applied before therapy. Apply the cream only to the skin and avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, mouth, nose, and vaginal/groin area unless directed otherwise. Make sure to follow all the directions on the label for proper use and consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. To get the most benefit from the cream, use it regularly and apply it to damp skin after bathing or showering. If your skin is very dry, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before applying the cream. And remember, long, hot, or frequent bathing can worsen dry skin. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. Some people may experience mild side effects like burning, stinging, redness, or irritation when using Eletone cream. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. However, most people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If you notice any unusual changes in your skin, signs of skin infection, or symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Are you allergic to any of the ingredients in Eletone cream? Or do you have any other allergies? It's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before using this product to avoid any allergic reactions or other problems. If you have skin cuts, infections, or sores, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Eletone cream. Some ingredients, like preservatives and fragrance, can make you more sensitive to the sun, so it's best to check the label for any warnings or ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when in the sun. If you're prone to acne breakouts, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to avoid products that may worsen acne. It's also important to tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, before having surgery. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using Eletone cream, especially if you are applying the product to the breast area. When using Eletone cream, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It is recommended to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Eletone cream. If Eletone cream is swallowed, it can be harmful. In case of an overdose with serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can reach out to their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can get in touch with a provincial poison control center. To help prevent dry skin, you can try using lukewarm water for bathing, taking baths or showers less frequently, keeping bathing time short, and using a humidifier when the air is dry. Eletone Cream is an emollient product that can help with dry skin. It comes in the form of a cream and is fragrance-free, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. You should consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine if Eletone Cream is the best option for you. When using Eletone Cream, apply it to the affected area as directed by your healthcare provider. It is important to use it regularly to get the full benefit. You can use it daily or as often as recommended by your doctor. It is best to apply it after bathing or showering, when the skin is still moist, to lock in the moisture and maximize the benefits. If you forget to use Eletone Cream on your regular schedule, just use it as soon as you remember. Don't try to make up for the missed dose by using more product or using it more often than directed. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep the Eletone Cream away from children and pets. Avoid storing the cream near high heat or an open flame, as it is under pressure. Do not puncture or burn the canister. Do not dispose of the cream by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain, unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.